my channel. My name is Yazan and this Sinana who is sleeping. Today we are going to a place which I don't know, but we will find out where we are going in this video, so make sure you watch this video. So let's go. Hello. So we've reached a desert and we are going on this road. It's very beautiful and it starts from the desert and goes all the way to the mountains. So we have reached the mountains. Look at the view. It is so beautiful. So we stopped in a place so we can see the beautiful view of the mountains. So we saw a tunnel on our way. So we've reached this place called Shees. We found a park named Shees Park. Did you know that this whole place is a wadi? So we decided to go further and check out this place. Was very narrow and steep. Wadi is basically a valley which drains the water from the mountains. We saw a beautiful village at the end of the road. So we found a nature trail where we could walk through a village and experience the traditional way of living in a wadi. So we found a beautiful canal system which is also called as Falaj system through the nature trail. It is very beautiful to see because we could understand how the traditional way was back in the UAE. They used for bathing, growing crops and for drinking and many more. there were also old village houses which some people also use now, like the local people there. And look at the cute goats over here. It's run by the people who live here. So now we are entering a place with fishes, which is like a pond, which is you can pass through. Like, there's no bridge, but there is like the side is where you can walk.
This way, this way.
So the palms were so beautiful at this place. It was fully grown and had a lot of dates in it.
Mountain goats.
So finally we've reached the end of the nature trail. So now we are going to Shees Park. So we've reached Shees Park. We brought our scooters there into the park, but the security came and said there are no scooters or cycles allowed inside the park. So we gave the scooters to the security guard. So here is like a small fountain. Yeah, it's like more big. So up there is the view top, which you can see the whole park in the whole Shees area from the sightseeing top. It has a very beautiful view when you go up there. And here is a small miniature waterfall at the edge of a mountain. So now we are going to go up of the mountain to see the beautiful view from there. In that mountain there is like a pyramid shaped rock or something, but it is very beautiful to see even from the lowest point. It was so tiring and exhausting to go up the stairs. There were a lot of stairs to go up to the mountain. We have almost reached the top, but I am very exhausted.
So we are going to the most top of this view sighting. Let's go here. Let's go here.
So finally, we have reached the highest viewpoint of the park. At last, we have the playground with climbing ropes, swings, slides, seesaws, and many more things. Here you can play and have a lots of fun too.
അത് പിന്നെ പിടിച്ചിരുന്നോട്ടോ.
So hope you enjoyed this video. So if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye, and make sure you go to Shees Park once in a lifetime.